Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use data validation in Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. We are going to learn text length, whole number and date. First, just select the column, click on the data tab. You can see here the data tools. This is a data validation. Click on the data validation. You have to select here some option. Click on that. You are going to text length in between the minimum. I want 3 text length and maximum I want 8. Okay, just enter. Oh, click on OK. Now you write here text length. It's this value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So it's not accept because the length of the text is greater than I enter there. Okay, so just enter validate data. Now you can going to learn whole number. Just select the column, click on the data tab, click on the data validation, select the whole number in between. I want 100, minimum and maximum I want to 500. Click OK. Just enter here 100, 400. If you're going to enter the 1000, this value does not match the data validation restriction. So it's not accept. Retry, just enter 3. It's accepted. This is a whole number validation. Now we're going to date. Select the column, click on the data tab, click on the data validation and select the date in between. Start date I want, just enter 110 to 2023 and end date I want 31 10 2023 only for this month. Now here enter 1 10 2023 and I want to enter 109 2023. It's not match as per the restriction. I mentioned there in data validation only for this month and enter the last month date. Therefore, it's not accept. This is a data validation. I just want to enter the yesterday date. It's taken. Okay, that's it. Thank you.